Stacy. I think I have one solution to the many problems that we're having with eLearn, and in a lot of ways this might be one of the most annoying things, and I think I now have a solution. So let me get my ugly mug out of the way, and it's the problem where when you create a link and it doesn't highlight as orange. All right, so check this out. So I've manufactured a link right down here, and I'm gonna kind of zoom in a little bit, and you can see that it's that dreaded link that is not orange, it's just that ugly one. So here's how we do it. All right, so I'm gonna get into the edit mode. All right, and so you see all the junk, and I'm gonna scroll down to the offending link. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna highlight that link, and then under the A, I'm going to change it to paragraph. Whoa, bam! And there it is. It's by highlighting it and then selecting P or paragraph, that's appending the P opening paragraph and closing paragraph symbols that we've been doing manually. But now it's so easy. Just highlight the offending link and then make it paragraph. You might need to select the entire line, not just the link. For example, if this was, well, I will do it right now. Let's go down here, and I will manufacture way down here. There we are. I will manufacture that link again and make it broken, so to speak. I will delete that, and I will insert wabam. All right, so there we go. All right, so now, hi there, Stacy. The link is probably broken. Okay, so now when I highlight this and make it a link and click create, it should be that ugly brown. Sure enough, there it is. Save changes. There it is, that ugly brown inside the entire sentence. Now, when I do edit, I'm going to go down and I'm going to select the entire line. So I'm going to triple click to select the whole thing as a quick shortcut, or I could just select the whole thing right here. I'm going to go to A and I'm going to click paragraph. Whoa, bam, there it is, and now it works. So that is a solution to one of the big bugaboos that we've been struggling with, is when we lose that orange, and now you know how to get it back. Select it, go to A, and select paragraph.